Meaning of demilitarize.
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 Demilitarize. The term demilitarize refers to the process of reducing or eliminating military presence or capabilities in a particular area. The result of demilitarization is a shift towards a more peaceful and civilian-oriented environment. This can involve the dismantling of military bases, the reduction of military personnel and equipment, and the strengthening of civil institutions such as law enforcement and public safety agencies. Demilitarization is often pursued as a means of promoting stability and reducing the risk of conflict, particularly in regions that have experienced prolonged periods of military occupation or warfare.